An uncontested divorce is a divorce case where there's no dispute or disagreement between the parties about the division and allocation of assets and debts and about the parenting plan for the children in terms of custody, visitation, and child support. And there's also would be no dispute about spousal maintenance if that's an issue in the case. So basically, if you have an uncontested divorce, you're in a very fortunate situation because there's a lot of conflict and acrimony in most divorces, but in an uncontested divorce, you and your spouse are able to reach an agreement early on about the outcome of the case. If you're fortunate enough to be in that situation, it's important to contact an attorney immediately and reduce the terms and conditions of the uncontested divorce to writing, generally in the form of a contract called a marital settlement agreement, and get your spouse to sign off on the marital settlement agreement early on in the case. Because many times parties initially believe that they're going to have an uncontested divorce, which is less stressful and less expensive for everyone. But then as the case evolves, they learn that there are contested issues and they end up in divorce litigation. So if your spouse says that they're willing to agree, then you should get to an attorney, have a marital settlement agreement drawn up, and get it signed off on promptly because that's good, and you want to memorialize that right away so the other party doesn't change their mind later.